USG is offering a new accessory option making it easy to create stylish and organized utility channels using standard grid. The USG 4-6 module bracket is a convenient and versatile suspension system accessory designed to easily create 4-inch and 6-inch utility channels. This innovative grid accessory gives everyone from the architect and designer to the contractor and the installation crew the freedom and flexibility to transform traditional acoustical ceiling grid into tailored design that integrates overhead function, systems, and components. The utility module bracket is made of durable steel construction for seismic and non-seismic installations. It is compatible with all imperial and metric utility channel options and with a wide selection of 4-inch and 6-inch luminaires. There are three types of conditions. The first is a continuous condition. Utility channels continue across main tees, creating a linear, uninterrupted appearance. Next is the Ashler condition. Utility channels are not continuous. Cross tees are positioned independently between two main tees. And then finally, an alternate Ashler condition. The utility channel is non-continuous and positioned independently between two main tees, and a single cross tee is placed in an opposite position. Begin the installation by folding out the center indexing tab on the first UMB 90 degrees and insert it through the cross tee hole of the main tee. Then bend it back 90 degrees. For a continuous condition, 2 utility module brackets will be required. Repeat the previous steps on the opposing side. Using the UMB as a template, punch attachment holes through the main tee. Secure both UMBs to the main tee by inserting pop rivets through the pilot holes created. Fold out attachment tabs for the desired utility opening on both UMBs. Using snips, cut off the cross tee clips through the center of the hourglass shape. Place the tee aligning the hole against the outfolded tabs. With the tee held tight against the outside of the UMB tab, secure the tee with 2 pop rivets provided. Perform the same procedure on the next cross tee. Notice that the pop rivets go through the manufactured holes already provided in the quick release clip on the cross tee. Here is the finished continuous condition. Now the UMB is being used in an Ashler condition. The procedure to install this application are the same as before, but only 1 utility module bracket is required. For the Ashler condition alternate, once again only 1 UMB is required. Insert the indexing tab on the UMB through the main tee, but this time do not bend it over. Attach the UMB to the main T using pop rivets. Then attach the opposing cross T to the outfolded center indexing tab. To use the utility module bracket for a seismic application, a DH3 three-way connector will also be needed along with standard seismic installation procedures.